Hello, in front of me I've got 70 my dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to windshield in your car. In the beginning, we are going to use this electrostatic sticker. Remove the film before use and then stick it to your front windshield. Next, remove the second film from here and stick your dashcam to the electrostatic sticker. Next, adjust it and in the end connect it to power source. Remember to clean the windshield and degrease it before applying the electrostatic sticker. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.